everybody, and welcome to today's video. If this is our first time meeting, hi, I'm Erica, an illustrator, crafter, and cosplayer from Nova Scotia, Canada. So today I'm finally going to show you around my studio where I run my Etsy shop. So yeah, let's get on with the tour and we'll catch up again afterwards. Okay. All right, so this is the studio. It's a very bright room for being in a basement. This is my desk area, so I have lots of pens. I have a prototype of a future notepad that I will be offering, my computer, my iPad and Apple Pencil, my Munbin label printer, shipping label printer, and my Epson Eco Tank where I print all my stickers. Up here are all my vinyl stickers. This is where I store all my vinyl stickers and my vinyl sticker packs. I have a bunch of supplies up there as well. A little inspiration board situation. This is where I keep all of my mini sticker sheets, and then these are my full-size sticker sheets. These are my seconds sticker sheets, which eventually become mystery packs, which are up here with swear words. Oh, without swear words and with swear words. Anyway, I also have a sponge here for my paper tape, which was gifted to me from No Issue. They do eco-friendly packaging. Anyway, I thought that was cute when I designed it. I have thumbtacks for my board over there. Down here are more shipping supplies. So I have my slot box shipping boxes for Canada and my envelopes that those go in. I have my shipping boxes for US orders. I have paper bags, more bubble mailers, baby wipes for my Cricut mats, and then just a bunch of tape, the paper tape, and as well just regular tape for packing stuff. So that's my packing area, although I do also have a packing cart here. So I have my envelopes, which I ship just straight up sticker orders in, little freebie envelopes. They have monthly freebies, business cards, packing slips, all of my product stickers. Down here I have cello bags, and I am hoping to be moving over to glassine soon. It's driving me insane. Also more backing cards, mini envelopes, mini glassine bags, and more business cards. My Cricut maker here, which is where I cut all my stickers. This is a new sticker that will be out in a little bit. I'm doing a Zodiac collection, so that's exciting. Paper cutter, a whole lot of supplies down here, washi tape, stamps, markers, paper punches, that sort of thing, acrylic paints and watercolors, alcohol markers down there. Then we have my light box over here. We have back here, we've got a storage room, and we also have a cupboard under the stairs, my Harry Potter room, where I keep even more supplies, lots of beads, lots of my geeky things. Yeah, and our laundry room is over here, so there's always a pile of laundry, and our pantry is over there, so there's always a pile of pantry things. And I have a set of drawers here with a whole bunch of miscellaneous things. I have sticker paper and regular printer paper, and this area will be finished for a bathroom, so it'll be a half bath, and hopefully we'll get that done soon. And then I have pretty twinkle lights all the way around, and some pom-pom garlands and other garlands that I've made over time. didn't make these. Those are all from the dollar store, but yeah. And then I painted a little chalkboard over there. This houses a whole bunch of paper and old journals and just a bunch of stuff. Anyway, yeah, so that is my studio. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tour of my studio. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. I am hoping to start filming studio vlogs in the next week or so, so I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on when I do upload. I'm still trying to work out a upload schedule, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I can't wait to see you in the next video, and I will see you soon. Bye.